So this passage actually is a pretty long one, and it's usually dead space. And my husband, my daughter, and I, we all have a lot of footwear. Actually, more my daughter and me. So our request really to Preetu was that how could we use this space to have an aesthetic look, obviously, but also keep it high on utility. And this shoe rack actually blends pretty well with this opposite side. So the entire thing actually looks like a proper pathway. But if you open and see it, there's actually footwear inside. And yeah, this entire beautiful greens over here just adds to the whole minimalist and warm vibe of the house. So we quite like this space as we enter the living room. And as we enter the living room, you see this very nice minimalist vibe going on. You won't see too much clutter around. There's just this whole living space where the family has a good time in the evenings. We've avoided even like a largish center table. We just have this small little thing here which we can, just pick and put it away. As the three of us just sit on the floor and have our, Saturday evening movie night or family time. And yeah, that's a little bit about this space, very, very minimal, which actually leads me on to the next space, which is the whole dining area. And the dining itself is a pretty basic one. But having said that, what I love about this space is the fact that the kitchen opens into the dining area, and even while we are entertaining guests, we have a beautiful space out here from where we can serve cutlery. There's also this nice mood lighting out here, and if you look at the space above the dining, there's mood lighting out there as well. All of this is again super high on utility with multiple cabinets with cutlery and crockery in here. So a pretty nice high utility but very warm space for the family and guests. And then that brings me to the kitchen. So while we entertain guests, we obviously have access to the kitchen as well. The kitchen itself is a pretty large space, but it wasn't like this. The kitchen that we received from the builder was very different in terms of layout. My requirement of this space was to one, have a larger kitchen, and two, also to have a kitchen which is seamlessly flowing in from the living room, so that the entire space looks like a huge, big living room come, extended kitchen. So this helps because this is transparent, and it also helps because Indian cooking fumes don't get out into the dining and living space. And what Preetu has done very beautifully is some of the area that was on my wish list, which is this baking zone. This is something that I love doing. And this is the first time I actually got a convection oven after we renovated this house. This baking zone also is accompanied by like this small little area where we keep our baking tools. And my daughter and I, we typically use this area to do our baking. So typically Saturdays, which is mommy baby baking day, is spent here. Saturday afternoons generally, where we do all our baking and then we have a nice time around this space in the early evening with a cup of coffee. Yeah, so that's it, and I really love this space. So not that I'm too much of a cook, but having said that, my cook also is very happy with this kitchen. I'll show you the study room right now. This is my husband and my favorite room. We love to read, so all our books are in this shelf, most of them actually. And this also doubles up as my study when I work from home. I'm not a person who likes working from home at all. But after we've built this room, I have been working from home once a week, once in 2 weeks. And you'll wonder how I work from home because all you can see is a study chair. But there's a hidden desk out here, and this is where I place my laptop, and the laptop itself is in the storage right below. So super high on utility, concealed because we don't need a desk all the time. But having said that, when there are these rare occasions, at least we have the provision. And there's a small little thing out here to kind of hold this in place. And yeah, that's a little bit about my study. It's also my favorite room. So this study also doubles up as a good room for storage. And if you look at just how Preetu has helped us use all the corners, you'll see, typically when we come back from work, there's always office bags lying around. Now finally there's a designated place for this. My office bag, my husband's office bag, my gym bag, and also a small little space here for our gym mat and dumbbells. And this storage out here, this is actually a Murphy bed, which gets pulled down like this to become a comfortable single bed for any guest visiting, a single guest visiting. And that's how it is. It's very, very simple. It's got a spring action and it doesn't take too much effort to pull it down or push it back in.